It's over. Clash, paano? Ano pong masasabi ninyo?
Alam mo kung bakit ako tumayo sa'yo? Kasi 16 years old ka pa lang and parang mas matanda ka pa sa akin mag-perform sa industriya. Sobrang veterana! Sobrang talento! Sobra! Nagagalit na ako sa sobra.
Sumusobra na siya. Miss Lani, kaya pa?
Hindi, medyo ano pa ako, natutulala pa ako, no? Yun na nga, nakakabilib ang yung support mo sa breath mo. You were able to hold your long, sustained notes really well. At saka yung pag-glide mo, pataas-pataas, was flawless. Even if it was really high notes, it wasn't hurting my brain. Now, here it is. Ang na-notice ko, you were like doing a lot of movements. Maybe you can lessen that a bit. And when you try to do little actions here and there, make it na nasa para bam, bam, para maging mas malakas yung dating. My gosh, you're 16. You can fly, my dear.